I am on page 3 of our last algebra review packet. And this packet is all about exponent properties. And the property we focused on 2 days ago, I believe, or yesterday, was the fact that we cannot leave negative exponents in our answers. They have to be positive. So just to kind of review that real quick, like in this example right here, in order to simplify this, I need to get rid of that -2 and make that +2. So what you do, I'm going to turn this into a fraction. So put this all over 1. And to make a positive, you move the exponent and its base to the bottom. An exponent only has one base, and it's whatever's directly below it. So b would be the base. So the 5a to the power of 3, that's going to stay on top because those are not negative exponents. Those are fine to stay where they're at. And on the bottom, you now have b to a +2. And if you want to put that 1 in front of there, again, you can, but you don't have to. And now that one's simplified because I got rid of the negative exponents. The property we're going to do today is multiplying exponents. Basically, when you multiply, right in here, multiply exponents with the same base, you add them. So, again, the same base. So basically, they have to be like terms. So if like you had x to the 3rd times x to the 2nd, since they both have a base of x, you can add the exponents together, and that'd be x to the 5th, which we've kind of already done with like distributing, when we've done like questions like this, where you do double distribution. X times x is x squared, because you have to add those exponents together. So that's basically the property that we're just reviewing today. So if I go back on page 3, I was going to do some with you guys. So let's see. Which one do I do first? So let's do this one down here. Okay. I know some of these are hard to see and I kind of scribbled some of them off. So let's do this one down here. So basically 4 and 9 are not exponents. Remember, these rules are only for exponents. So if they're just regular whole numbers, you just do what it says. It says 4 times 9. So that'd be 36. And then I have 2 z's, so they're like terms. So I can put those z's together by adding the exponents. So 5 plus -12 is -7. Now, I can't leave my answer like this because none of my answers should have negative exponents in it. So I do need to put this as a fraction. So I can move the negative exponent and its base to the bottom. And remember, you can only have one base, and the base would be z. So 36 would stay on top, and z to the +7 is now on the bottom. And that one is now completely simplified because I don't have any more negative exponents. Let's see. The next one, 2, 9, and 3, again, are not exponents. So I'm just going to do what it says. It says 2 times 9 times 3. 2 times 9 is 18, and 18 times 3 is 54. I have 2 a's I can put together. This would be a and a +1. If there's nothing there, you assume it's a 1. And this would be a to the +2. So again, add them. 1 plus 2 is 3, so that'd be a to the 3rd. And there's no other b to the 4ths, but I still have to bring it down into my answer. And then that would be it. That would be my final answer. There's no negative exponents to get rid of, so that one is done. So this is kind of, I mean, we've done this already this year when it comes to like distributing. We've added exponents. I guess like practice one more. Let's do this one. Okay, so there's technically a 1 here, so 4 times 1 would be 4. And then again, I just add the exponents together. 6 plus 3 is 9. So m to the 9th. And I don't have a negative exponent, so that one's done. So that's basically the property that we're reviewing today.